This model kit review is of the 2017 Ford GT. It's a 124 scale model by Revell, and this is the easy click system, or a snap tight type kit. Looks like everything's sort of painted already and will probably go together fairly easily. It's a very easy, this is actually considered a level 2 difficulty, which is interesting. Here's some more pictures there of the model. And some more pictures there. Some optional painting there with those colors. Let's have a look inside and see what we have. It does look like we have, it says here stickers as well as water slide decals, which is nice. So let's have a look here and see what we've got. So all these parts are in here together. Looks like we've got glasses mounted already on the body. Body needs a bit of a trim, some flashing. We've also got some mold lines there and definitely there. Those all need to be sanded down, and I would probably end up painting this body a different color. Here are our wheels, soft and flexible. We've got 2 axles. Here is our chassis, nice and flat, with date stamp there. Here's our glass with the black windshield surround already on it. And then we've got some side glass there and our tail lights. Here we've got our wheels. This looks like our cockpit tub here. And we've got some engine detail there, not a lot. And then these are our lights. Lastly here we've got our axles. I guess I'm going to go through here for our brake discs. Those need to get sanded and painted, but you can see they're all drilled, not slotted brakes, just drilled with brake calipers on there. Here is our instrument panel and dashboard, and these are our side mirrors. Here we've got our seats and steering wheel. So we do have both stickers and decals, exactly the same either way. That's actually kind of nice, because I prefer to use the decals. Usually they just give you stickers. So those are the colors needed if you want to do some additional painting. There's the parts listing. So we start off here with our cabin or cockpit tub, and there's this details for the engine. Put our seats in there, get our dashboard together, mount that inside, put our lights in there, windshield and glass, mount our cockpit or cabin on the body, put our wheels and chassis together, put front and rear. There must be different sizes, and then mount those, and then those are I guess plugs to keep it together. And don't forget your side mirrors and your rear lights. You can paint those, and then decal and paint guide. So pretty simple model to build. You can always add some extra things, but it's a fun little kit.